let the sun come down without telling you exactly what I mean. And you might never know. I let the sun come down. I let the sun come down. I let the sun come down without letting you know exactly what I mean, exactly what you mean to me. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What's up, newsy people? This photo here is titled Lovebirds. When I think about when I took this photo, I was just out in the city, and I was at the, close to the art museum, and I just like catching that atmosphere in different angles. So what I did was I took a little leverage, I went up a little higher. I noticed that there were a pair of two people, and every time you saw people, it was a pair of two. So that was unique to me. But when you look through the photo, you can actually see that maybe everyone's not a couple. You know what I mean? Like maybe everyone's not a couple, but this just gives me the vibe of that atmosphere where lovebirds are. You know what I mean? So that's what it meant to me then. That's what I went with. This is Lovebirds. I just basically showed you the process of me putting together 100%, create something every day, J. Wells Flix. And this is probably, this is from one of my earlier collections when I was doing a lot of bird things. This is probably 2014, 2015 right here. So we have a lot more things to offer. As y'all can see, some artwork hanging up in the back. Create something every day, man.